Hey everybody, welcome back to Unique Creations. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I make my Vaseline. Also my Vaseline, my coconut oil that I add with my aloe vera, and also my castor oil. It's actually a skin soften. It works really good for your skin, and especially in the winter months. Summertime too, but especially in winter months, because I know a lot of people's skin dry. Get dry. If you're like me, I suffer with dry skin throughout the winter unless I use this little concoction that I made. And I do a lot of different other things too with natural remedies that works very well. So today what I'll be using is, I've already put, this is Vaseline, this is coconut oil, this is castor oil. I would say probably about 4 tablespoons of castor oil in here. And I have this is a 2-ounce jar, 4-ounce jar, 2-ounce jar here that I'm gonna make it up in. And this is the aloe that I'm gonna add also. I add aloe vera gel. So what I do first is, I put the Vaseline in first. You can put either one in, but I put the Vaseline in first. And this Vaseline, this is about 3 tablespoons of Vaseline. So I always have made up those little throwaway containers, the little plastic container. You can actually get them at Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby. So start off with my Vaseline, and I'm gonna put a little aloe in here, down into the Vaseline, just a little aloe gel. And I give it a little quick stir here. And I use these wooden sticks here. Also, I think these came from Dollar Tree, and a pack of them. They also carry them at Hobby Lobby also. Gonna add the coconut oil. And this is like 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can always add more and do more when you got a larger container to put it in. This stuff works wonders, y'all. Vaseline is for dry skin anyway. And I know a lot of you mothers probably use it on your children coming up. Next, I'll add the castor oil. I'll add a little bit at a time. I'm stirring it in. Now the castor oil is moisturizing. Also healed chapped lips. The Vaseline, that's for dry skin. Coconut oil, it improves skin tone. It also reduces dark spots, and it's a skin softener. The aloe, anti-aging. Works good on burns, moisturizer. It's an anti-inflammatory also. Heal wounds with it. And sun damage repair. You can use aloe for sun damage repair. So I'm going to put a little bit more. Mixing the oil in there. So good for the winter months, especially in the winter months. It's good all year round, but especially those winter months. Especially when you're out there in the cold, good for your lips. Keep them from getting chapped. Prevent them from being chapped if used every day. So we have some treacherous winters. So this is just another thing I want to show you guys that I use the castor oil for. Now this jar is a little, and this is the consistency of it. This is how it's looking. You can add more castor oil if you like. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the castor oil. I make this for my grandchildren granddaughters. Also, my husband uses it on his hands and his feet and his face. You can use it on any parts of your body. Also in your hair, your scalp. So this is what it's looking like. Good moisturizer cream. Also use it to take makeup off. If you're a person that wears a lot of makeup, it can be also used for that. And so what I'm going to do is put my little top on it here. It's going to keep. And this is it. This is my castor oil, Vaseline, coconut oil, and aloe vera gel. This is what it's looking like. Had a little coconut oil in the top there. Sitting in the top, so I'm just going to stir it in. Good for kids. Good for babies' bottoms. Really good. Eczema, dry skin. Just want your skin to be soft for your feet, for your hands. It's actually really good. So, just want to share that with you guys. This is your first time visiting my channel. Please hit the subscribe button. Also the bell, so you'll be notified when I upload another video. So I'm going to be doing a lot of the, I know that my channel is kind of changing because I want to do a lot of home remedies, which is a lot of things I've been making and using. So I'm going to share that with you all. Thank everyone for watching. My old subscribers, my new subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day today. Thank you. God bless.